Wie zijn het, Zoey? Hè? Vrienden? Vijanden? Well, friends or enemies, Zoey?
Eu não sei. Ainda.
Sounds like friends. Nobody here, though.
Quem está aí?
Oei.
Quem?
Smelling Eddie? Is Eddie coming?
Quem?
Is Eddie coming?
Quem? Quem? Quem?
She really has a guard dog bark. Huh, Zoey?
Sim, sou um cão de guarda.
Sometimes when she stands barking here, I still want to record it. But I don't know how, because it's like the echo goes through the whole valley. Like woof, 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 woof. Huh, Zoey? Zoey, now, Annika. You're not a mountain goat. Zoey. Now. Espera. Espera. Sorry, Zoey.
Água, água.
Ooh. Taking a poo, eh?
Não chateies, humano.
She's embarrassed. Annika. Zoey. What? What? A bottle or what? What?
Água, 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 água.
That's a lot better than the chloride water from the council, right?
Sim. Água, 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 água.
Happy dog. Happy owner.
Feliz.
Zoey, Annika. That's Pilotto. Zoey. Yeah, so she was already barking when we were back at the house. And I didn't pay attention, so that was 2 seconds and she was gone. Where did she go, Pilotto? Zoey, Annika! I really have no good idea why these last couple of days she's really following her nose and not listening anymore. I think I need to sneak onto the neighbor's property here to find her. These overcast days, the mornings start a lot warmer. There's no sun, so during the day it will probably be colder. But because of the clouds, yeah, it's not that cold. Zoey! So yeah, now she's gone somewhere there. With our walk, we normally go around here and then past there. Oh, I see her. Zoey on the car! But look, there's everywhere there's wells here.
Wee.
Where she just jumps past. Zoey on the car!
Estou aqui.
Yeah, so we need to be consequent. On the car! Yeah, so probably she can take really good care of herself, but she needs to listen. And if she doesn't come, after like the first two on the cas, which means come here, or better translated, walk with me. Yeah, then she needs to know that she needs to listen to me. What she doesn't. So now we're gonna have this kind of walk. Pilotto, on the other hand, listens very good. Because if I call Zoey for an NDK, Pilot is already with me. Hey, Pilot. Now. Hey, Eddie.
Olá, Eddie.
Did you hear Eddie? Yes, it's Eddie. So first it was supposed to rain today. Then I looked this morning and it wasn't supposed to rain. And now it's raining. So I got a lot of stuff removed to make the garden like a sort of winterproof. Wrapped this beam up in a new piece of plastic. But this beam was still a little bit drying because the white plastic that was on there had some holes in it and it kept some water. So that's not good. That's why it's a little bit black here on the top. We'll figure that out later. But I still need to wrap it. But now it's raining, so I can't wrap it anymore. Yeah, and you want to help wrap the beam?
Não, é suposto tu fazeres isso. Eu quero ajudar a comer a comida.
Rain, huh? Yeah. You don't like rain also? No. We don't like rain.
Nós não gostamos de chuva.
We don't like rain. We do like food. Especially this one. Oh, such a good doggy.
Comida, humano.
Food, give me food, give me food.
Eu quero comida.
Let me finish my talk. So. Put your foot here. So the cover from the pool is also still there. It needed to dry, but now it's wet again. And the big tarp is also still laying here. It's still laying there. Yeah, so if it... I think there isn't coming a lot of rain, so maybe we should be able to fix that later today or tomorrow. We'll see. Some food, Zoey? Comer?
Finalmente, comida.
Comer? Where's that key? There it is. Oi, Zoey. Bom dia.
Bom dia, humano. Finalmente vais para o trabalho.
Yeah, I forgot the car key. This is a lot of hassle, this gimbal. You cannot just put it down on the passenger seat of your car, you know, like I do normally with the phone. It's not easy to steer with this thing. Definitely not easy to get Zoey in the shot. Hey, sweetie. Did you miss me? Oh, kisses! What's going on? Kisses! Ooh! Ooh! Mwah! Did you miss me? 5 minutes. Huh? Ooh. Your head is not in the shot. I don't know, guys. I like these stable images and stuff, but somehow the thing limits me in my creativity. I have the idea. Oh, now it goes straight like this, but not like this. Oh. Oh. Yeah, it looks like as if it goes like this, but it's just because the table is not level, and no, this is also not level. My phone is not in their level. Ha! Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna try it a couple of more times, but I prefer just holding the phone with my hand. Gives me a lot more chance to make different kind of shots. Like pick it up fast and make a shot instead of trying to figure out how to get the gimbal in the right position. It's probably gonna get easier when I use it more, but I don't know. You in charge of the water today? Water management?
Eu quero ajudar.
Hey. Rainy and cold. Most of the... yeah, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna shut up. The tarp is still there. So yeah, today I'm gonna work inside. Hey Zoey.
Olá, humano.
Was a lovely sunshine yesterday and the day before yesterday. And I was inside working behind my laptop. Yeah, sometimes these things go like this, right? Today gonna finish up these holes on the other side to make this part of the house windtight. Let's do that now. And the next day it's just a gorgeous day. You really have to plan your days here. With me with the laptop work, it should work out fine. If I look at the weather sometimes. And I can plan the sunny days to work outside, huh? It's really gorgeous. Yesterday I was freezing my bees off. Woo. Now where did that Zoey go? Ah. Zoey, we're not going to Eddie today.
Por que não?
Eddie heard his name. Hi Eddie!
Olá, Eddie.
Zoey, ande cá. Ande cá, amor. So I assess the situation here. The existing door width is not 80, it's 77. So yeah, there needed to be cut something there anyway. So, and it's 2 meters high. And then maybe we should put in a lintel. That's another 10 centimeters. So I'm ending up here just below the new row of bricks. Yeah, that was to be expected. So I'm first going to try the door. First need to remove the old door. They just cemented it in there. So we need to break that out. And then put some measurements. And do some cutting. Hammering. Let's see. This thing is even heavier than the new door. Wow. Thank you for watching another video of the Portugal project. If you want to follow the Portugal project more closely, you can also add it on Facebook. Or add me on my personal account on Facebook or Instagram. See you next time at the Portugal project.